the motor's going in for the last time?
For the last time. For the last time. This is good. This is a good thing. So we're doing lock nuts and all the goodness now. So the original bracket was made to go into these 3 bungs, and it came over to tab, but it blocked the radiator. We needed to get more air in, so we're basically building one that goes the other direction and bolts here. That way we have full air to the radiator.
Cool.
We're going to build one in that shape, which is the exact opposite of that one, and we'll use one bolt on both sides. We are making an adapter to adapt this intake for a cable operated throttle body to a fly-by-wire throttle body. And we have to turn it down to clear the hood.
Have some clearance issues?
Yes. Yeah, this intake's really tall, and the hood curves down, so we need to bring this down before we can build any of the cold air intake stuff.
It's a nice intake.
So we have to fabricate, yeah, it's a Hogan intake. We have to fabricate an adapter that goes big to small, be able to bolt it on, and support the throttle body. So, fun, but that's what it takes to get this on here.
Be a lot of different pieces.
Yeah, we basically made 2 different flanges. One for the throttle body, one for the intake, and then we have to tie those together with a tube, weld it inside and out, clean it up, make it look pretty. And it's on an angle that way too. And this one's smaller now, so we have to play the game.
Just to make it a little more fun?
Yeah, it could just bolt right on.
No.
But no.
It never just bolts right on.
But if it bolted on, they wouldn't need us.
That's right. They could bolt it on in their garage.
That's right. Wouldn't need us.
Damn, you're fast.
It is on there. It is mocked up.
It is on there.
Got to finish weld it. Is a okay everything.
It looks good.
About the only option.
That'll work. Race car shit.
Yep. That's how it goes. Okay.
Say it again.
So they don't like the look of the tube because the intake's square and the throttle body's square, so we're going to box this in so when it's polished it looks like it's part of the intake. But we have the Venturi all made in round, so the box on the outside would be just cosmetic, but it'll make it look right. Cool.
This is one of the edges?
Yes. That's one of the pieces, and then what we're going to do is, where this bolt hole is, we are going to countersink it like they did on the rest of the intake. So it'll actually be a channel that the screw goes in, machined into this.
Oh, okay.
So it looks like the rest of the bolts on the intake.
Okay. So it looked like it actually came with the intake, I guess.
Looks like it belongs with it, even though it doesn't.
Oh, it's awesome, Joe.
Yep. There's a lot of finagling to get it in there, but it's in there.
Oh, it's amazing.
You had to add all that material up here at the top to be able to make this pocket for the bolt. So it looked like the ones back here.
Okay, yeah.
That's what I was doing when I was welding all that stuff together to put in the top of there. I had to have enough meat. This will be down here, and then it'll have a K&N filter on both sides. Too much stuff on the top side to adequately get it up there, so gonna run it down here. Once I get it all mocked up in here, we'll have to build a mount off of the frame to actually hold it, because it's a lot of weight hanging there. You know, basically out both sides, so we'll end up with a tab or two, don't really know yet. But something to hold it, because there's a lot of weight hanging on that rubber boot. So.
Used to be blue, now they're gray. That looks good.
Yeah, I like
Paint the intake.
Yeah, I kind of like how it's black and gray. It's broken up, you know. Yeah, these were bright blue like that.
Yep.
Just didn't go with the car, so it was either that or car color. So we decided to keep the engine all the same sniper gray.
Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for this video this week. I'm going to have one more video on this Mustang to wrap it up. Hopefully later this month, early next month. Right now where it sits, it's pretty much like 98% done. We got to button up a few things, put some miles on it, check for squeaks and leaks. Then we can detail it. I can put it in studio, get my beauty shots, then I can finalize this video. Until then, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to tease a couple new builds that we're going to be starting here soon. So hang on for that one. Like, comment, subscribe. The best thing you can do, please buy a shirt. That helps us out the most. Get like a Speed Shop shirt. Rep your favorite YouTube channel, favorite shop. Help us out greatly. Over here, we are about to start. If I can spin this camera around. Spin around. There we go. We have a 69 Coronet, I believe, that we are going to be turning into a Superbird. As you can see, we have the wing here. We have a big nose cone, I believe, coming for it. I believe this was an old drag car of some sort that had a crazy cage in it, which I believe we're going to be cutting out and turning into just like a street car. Not even sure what motor's in it, but going to be a very cool build. I don't know if it's staying sublime green, but looks pretty solid. So we're going to tear into this thing here soon. And the other one that I'm excited about, up here on the lift, kind of hard to see, is a Buick Grand National. This is going to be a cool project. Original owner car. I believe the owner actually had this car in high school, which is pretty damn cool. So we're going to be doing a full restoration, full build on this one. No longer a V6 turbo, it's going to be a LSA V8. It's going to be a cool project, so look forward to that. 2 cool builds, starting those soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Click the description down below, store.classiccarstudio.com. Buy a shirt. See you next time.